In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fill-in-the-blank PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right in and get started with transforming your static PDFs into interactive documents that are easy to fill out. Begin by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. It's essential to ensure that your document is ready for editing, so a quick review might be helpful to check for any updates or necessary changes before you start adding interactive elements. Next, navigate to the All Tools pane, which you can usually find on the right side of the Acrobat interface. Click on it, and among the various options you'll see Prepare a Form. Select this option as it's specifically designed to help you create interactive PDF forms. Once you've entered the form preparation mode, the next step is to click on Create Form. This action will prompt Acrobat to recognize fillable fields automatically. However, if your document doesn't contain any such fields yet, don't worry, because we'll manually add them in the following steps. Now, the key part is to add text fields where you want your users to input information. Look for the Add Text Field button within the toolbar. Clicking on this allows you to draw text boxes wherever you need them on your page. Take your time to place these fields accurately on the appropriate sections of your document, ensuring there's ample space for users to type in their responses comfortably. You might want to think about the alignment and size of these fields to make the form aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. After placing your text fields, it's time to test how they work. You can do this by selecting Preview at the bottom of your screen. Entering preview mode allows you to interact with the form just as a user would. Go ahead and type into the fields to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This testing phase is crucial as it can reveal any issues with the placement or size of your text boxes, as well as any other errors that need correcting. When you're satisfied that your text fields are working correctly, exit the preview mode and return to the editing environment. Don't forget the vital step of saving your work. To save your changes, click on the File menu and then Save, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac. This will ensure all the edits and additions you've made to your PDF are securely stored. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a fill-in-the-blank PDF in Adobe Acrobat, turning a simple document into an interactive form. This can be particularly useful for applications, surveys, and educational materials, making them more engaging and easier to use. Thank you for joining me today, and happy PDF editing.